Qala ke kuyibhola kanobhutshuzwayo sithola ke zithi Simphiwe Dludlu Foundation kanye ne-M Sport Marketing bagubheke inyanga kaNelson Mandela ngohlelo lokufinyelela emphakathini olubekiswe ke emantombazaneni noma ebhekiswe emantombazaneni angama-40 ase-Alexandra. Kuqhunyezelwa ke ukuthuthukiswa kwebhola, ukuqeqeshwa nokweluleka kanye nemfundo. Lolu hlelo lusebenzise ke izinkundla zokucobelelana ngolwazi kanye nemisebenzi yebhola ukukhuthaza abasubathi besifazane bakusasa ukuhlomulisa ababambe iqhaza ngamakhono okuphila kanye nokukhombisa amandla ezemidlalo ekudaleni ke amathuba nezindawo eziphephile khona e-Alexandra.
iSimphiwe Dludlu Foundation ibambisene ne-M Sports Marketing Group ziqaphele iNelson Mandela Month ngokusindleka inkqubo yamantombazana angama-40 kwilokishi yase-Alexandra. Eliphulo beligxile kuphuhliso lwebhola ekhatywayo, ezemidlalo kunye noqeqeshwa kwesizukulwane esizayo samanina.
I grew up in a community where it was difficult to get things done. I needed to fight for the scrapple, for that ask, beg and all of that, and our foundation says we want to bridge the gap. We want the girls to only focus about getting on the field and performing, to excel, compared to worrying about Namakogs, sports bra, mentor and all of that, because we do leadership programs, mentorship programs, and also being able to find resources and bring to the communities and all of that. And I thought, let me go remind my community that I'm still there, I'm still alive. We are just gathering strength, but we are here.
We need to create an environment that is very conducive for everyone to can perform. So investing in young girls in sport, it also addresses other social aspects that we have within our communities.
It is the very same brands who help women commercialize their sporting talents. So if you look at the biggest sports stars, who gives them the sponsorship opportunities? It's brands. So why not then invest in something that is going to help your business do better and gain the visibility much later in life? So I think it's something that's very important, but what a lot of brands do is they want to catch them already developed. So let us start investing at grassroots level so that when our sports personalities are fully developed, we can actually utilize them to also have mutually beneficial relationships.
Le nkqubo iye yaqaphela indima yezemidlalo ekwakheni imimandla ekhuselekileyo nasekunikeni abasetyhini abaselula amathuba okufezekisa amaphupha. Abaququzeleli bathi eliphulo liqaqambisa umqela owashiywa nguTata uMandela ngokuba basebenzise ezemidlalo njengesixhobo sokwenza utshintsho ekuhlaleni. NdinguThami Manganyona abazemidlalo, Soweto TV, Alexandra.